How to play Uncharted on PS5. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you're going to learn how to play any Uncharted game on your PS5, whether it's the remastered versions or the originals. Let's get started. Option 1. Uncharted Legacy of Thieves Collection. Step 1. Go to the PlayStation Store on your PS5. Step 2. Search for Uncharted Legacy of Thieves Collection. Then, buy and download the game, or insert the PS5 compatible disc. Step 4. Once installed, launch the game. Bonus tip. These versions include Uncharted 4 and The Lost Legacy, with enhanced graphics and faster load times. Option 2. Nathan Drake Collection. Step 1. Go to the PlayStation Store again. Step 2. Search for Uncharted, the Nathan Drake Collection. Step 3. Download and install it. It's the PS4 version but works perfectly on PS5. Step 4. Play the original trilogy with improved performance thanks to backward compatibility. Option 3. PS Plus Streaming. Step 1. If you have PlayStation Plus Premium, go to Game Catalog. Step 2. Look for Uncharted titles available for streaming. Step 3. Select and start playing instantly. No download required. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to play Uncharted on your PlayStation 5, whether it's the remastered collection, the originals, or through streaming. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.